Hello everyone. Today we'll solve question number 7 from JEE Main 2024 8th April. GP Maths Geometric Progression. So let us begin question number 7. In an increasing GP of positive terms, the sum of second term and sixth term is 70 by 3 and the product of the third and fifth terms is 49. Then the sum of the fourth, sixth and eighth terms is equal to. So 4 options given, we have to find out the correct option. इस क्वेश्चन में इंक्रीजिंग पॉजिटिव टर्म्स की जीपी है और सेकंड टर्म और सिक्स टर्म का सम दिया हुआ है 70/3 और प्रोडक्ट दिया हुआ है थर्ड एंड फिफ्थ टर्म का 49. Then we have to find out the sum of fourth, sixth and eighth term. So solution. Let the first term of GP be A and the common ratio be R. Since it is increasing GP of positive terms, we have A is greater than 0 and R is greater than 1. And formula for general term of GP, AN is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. Therefore, second term A2 is equal to AR, third term A3 is equal to AR square, fifth term A5 is equal to AR to the power 4 and sixth term A6 is equal to AR to the power 5. Now first condition, sum of second term and sixth term is equal to 70/3. So A2 plus A6 is equal to 70/3. This implies अब इनको A and R में इनको कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए तो AR plus AR to the power 5 is equal to 70/3. अब इसमें से AR कॉमन ले लिया, AR कॉमन लिया तो यहाँ बचा 1 plus R to the power 4 is equal to 70/3. So this is equation 1. Now second condition, product of third term and fifth term is equal to 49. Therefore, A3 into A5 is equal to 49. Convert these terms into A and R. So AR square into AR to the power 4 is equal to 49. दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई किया तो A2 R to the power 6 is equal to 49. इसका हमने स्क्वायर रूट लिया. Taking the positive square root, AR cube is equal to 7. This is equation 2. Now divide equation 1 by equation 2 to eliminate A. So AR 1 plus R to the power 4 upon AR cube. A से A कैंसिल हुआ, R से इसकी पावर कैंसिल हुई, is equal to 70/3 upon 7. So this implies 1 plus R to the power 4 अपॉन R स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ 7 से 70 को कट किया 10 टाइम्स, सो इज इक्वल टू 10/3. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया 3 plus R to the power 4 is equal to 10 square. So this implies 3R to the power 4 minus 10R square plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic style equation. So to find roots, split the middle term. हम इस middle term को split करेंगे. So 3 into 3 9 and 9 into 1 is equal to 10. So इनका प्रोडक्ट 9 हो गया और इनका सम 10 के बराबर हो गया. So 3R to the power 4 minus 9R square minus R square plus 3 is equal to 0. So 3R square फर्स्ट टू टर्म से 3R square कॉमन लिया, बचा R square minus 3. इन दो लास्ट टर्म से -1 कॉमन लिया तो R square minus 3 is equal to 0. सो फिर R square minus 3 कॉमन लिया तो R square minus 3 ब्रैकेट में बचा 3R square minus 1 is equal to 0. तो इसको रखा हमने R square minus 3 is equal to 0 और 3R square minus 1 is equal to 0. Continue with question number 7. So r square is equal to 3 और 3r square is equal to 1. यहाँ से हमको मिला r is equal to √3 और r is equal to 1 upon √3. r is equal to 1 by √3 is rejected as r is greater than 1 for an increasing GP. Now we need to find the sum of the 4th, 6th and 8th terms. So sum is equal to A4 plus A6 plus A8. अब इनको A and R में बदल दीजिए, चेंज कर दीजिए. So sum is equal to AR cube plus AR to the power 5 plus AR 7. अब इसमें AR क्यूब कॉमन है, तो AR क्यूब कॉमन ले लिया, तो सम इज इक्वल टू AR क्यूब 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4. Now put the value of AR cube is equal to 7 from equation 2 and R square is equal to 3. हमने R square is equal to 3 ये यहाँ पर कैलकुलेट किया है. तो सम इज इक्वल टू 7, 1 plus 3 प्लस और R to the power 4 की वैल्यू हो गई 3 स्क्वायर. So sum is equal to 7 into 13 is equal to 91. So answer question number 7, option C is correct. With this, best of luck. Thank you.